Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my September favorites, showing you everything that I loved throughout the month. I've got a body moisturizer that I love, a fancy highlighter, a perfume I can't stop wearing. If you're curious about this look, I did just film a video, so I'll link it down below, kind of like a transitional makeup look. You know, the leaves are starting to change here in Toronto, so I had to break out one of my favorite dark lipsticks. Honorable favorite. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Firstly, let's talk about this concealer. I have been loving this. I picked this up pretty much the same time as the Makeup by Mario, and I have been reaching for this one over my Makeup by Mario. It might be because of the tone. This one is a little bit better in terms of undertone and shade for me, but I also just really love the coverage. It's kind of thick. It gives me that same vibe as the Too Faced Born This Way, the NARS Creamy, even Tarte Shape Tape. Like, it has that kind of thicker consistency, but not in a bad way, just in a way that like is actually going to give me coverage under my eyes. It blends out well, lasts long. It's got a great shade range. I wear the shade 30 Medium Peach, so really impressed. Did I even say what it is? It's the House Labs concealer, so really been loving this and reaching for it all month. Traveled with it even, so that's a big deal. Then this mascara I continue to reach for on and off ever since it came out, and almost every time that I'm wearing it, someone will ask me what's on my lashes, and it is the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. This can get a little clumpy potentially. It is a fairly kind of like wet formula, but it is so black, so voluminous. There is a fly torturing me. Like, go anywhere else in the apartment. Why do you have to be here? I guess it's the lights. But either way, it's got like a slightly conical, cone-shaped brush, but not that much. And I just find the formula to be so thick, so black. It looks so good on the lashes. It is truly hella thick. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok or watch any of my YouTube shorts, I recently did a Yes Style haul, and I picked up this Blessed Moon eyeshadow in the shade Lost Aura or Lost Stars. I'm not totally sure. It's a Korean brand. Now, when I went back, I realized that I spent $17 on this, just an individual shadow. That's not crazy, but I don't remember spending that much on it. I did sort of order in the middle of the night, but I have to say, it's really nice, and I've been wearing it a ton. It's got this, it doesn't have like a ton of base color, but I just love it over other shadows. I'm on the hunt to find a comparable shadow to the Urban Decay Naked Cowboy that a lot of girls who have white skin, fair skin wear, and it's just like this perfect shade of sparkle on the eyes. I also find the new Fenty, the one that came in that set, I find that kind of does a similar thing, but I really like this on my lids. And if you haven't tried Yes Style yet, I had a good experience with shipping from them. I didn't pay any customs. The prices were good. They have discount codes, etc. And I love the blush that I got from that haul as well. I traveled home to Newfoundland with it because I loved it so much, and I smashed it. You may or may not have seen my recent MAC Studio Radiance foundation review. This is their serum powered foundation, so it's got hyaluronic acid, skincare ingredients, all that good stuff. 56 shades, which I think is incredible. And breaking news, I'm not NC42 in this line. I'm NC38. They also matched me to NC37. I thought that looked good. I do swatches in the video if you'd like to see it there. But what I have to say about this is smooth. It looks so smooth on the skin, and my skin is not smooth. It is textured. I have acne scarring. I have acne breakouts. I've got cystic acne. I got a little bit of everything going on in my face. And this I've really been loving. I think it covers very well. It's got like a medium natural finish. They say it's radiant, but I wouldn't say it's like super glowy. There's no shimmer in there. I don't feel like it highlights my texture at all. I just think it looks beautiful on the skin and could work for the majority of skin types, I think. So I'll link my review down below. You can see it there with flash photo, before and after, how it looks at the end of the day, and judge for yourself. But I'm impressed. The only kind of bummer about it is it's 60 bucks Canadian, $62.50 if you buy it at Sephora if they want to get their extra $2. So I'm like, Mac, relax, you know. It was mid-range at some point. So anyways, speaking of things that are definitely not mid-range, I've been loving the Gucci Illuminator. This is the Gucci Illuminator de Beauté. I'm wearing it on my skin right now. I put it over foundation, powder, whatever, and it just sits really beautiful. I take it out, sort of rub it on the back of my hand, and then pat it. I used it in the video for this look here today if you want to see it. But I wasn't sure about the color because it has like a very champagne-y look, but there's a bit of peachiness to it. I could maybe use a titch more warmth, but it looks really healthy on the skin. It doesn't look like highlighter. It just looks like healthy skin. And I know I've said this about other highlighters in the past, but there's something really beautiful when you can't really tell. Like sometimes, you know, like my Rare Beauty highlighter, like it's obviously a highlighter, but it is very gorgeous. It's smooth on the skin. It's poppin', but this just looks beautiful. Just blends into the skin so well. So, and it would last a really long time if you want to dabble in it maybe during the VIP sale. Then I've been wearing this scent so much, sort of end of summer into fall now. This is Prada Paradox. I bought this during the Sephora sale a while back. It's like sight unseen, essentially. Well, I had seen it and that's why I wanted it, is I wanted the packaging. I thought the packaging was really pretty and the note sounded good, but I've been wearing this a lot. I think they also came out with an intense one, but let me grab what they say about it. To me, my unprofessional nose, it's like a little floral and a little deep. Warm florals. Oh my god, I was gonna say musk. Okay, so it's warm florals. It has neroli bud, white amber, white musk. It's a floral ambery perfume that reinvents freshness. Blah, 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 blah. Revolutionary musk molecule. Either way, I love the way it smells and I love the packaging and it lasts really well on the skin. And I've actually gotten 2 compliments that were not creepy from men. Saying that I smelled really good. One Uber driver and one guy in an elevator. And I really don't think they were trying to like hit on me. Like I think they were truly like, that smells really great. And I was like, thank you, sir. I do not feel threatened. Then I've also been loving this Rhode Peptide lip treatment. They send me all of their new launches and I'm actually really liking their milk essence right now. And I loved the passion fruit flavor. So if you're looking for like a good lip balm, this is a good lip balm. There's nothing like incredibly remarkable, but I do think they're really nice, but the scents are pretty fun. So the passion fruit one is incredible. I love passion fruit. It's hard to come by. Then this is the strawberry glaze one that was causing a lot of hubbub out and about. And I have to say, it truly smells like the inside of a strawberry jelly donut. And it smells so, so good. There's no color to them, but she did just launch ones that have color and I think they're being sent my way. So if you'd like to see how they look and perform on my skin tone, just let me know. But really loving that. It's been in my purse. Then from Curlsmith, which is available online, but also at Chatters now in Canada, which is exciting. This is their multitasking conditioner. It's a 3-in-1 conditioner for damaged hair. And I went to an event where they had one of their main stylists use all their products on me. I thought they seemed really nice. But this was one that she pointed out to me and I thought was interesting. So you can use it as a conditioner. You leave it in for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse, detangle, etc. As a deep conditioner, leave it in for 15 to 30 minutes. Blah, 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 blah. Or you can actually use it as a leave-in. So that's what I did the other night. And I did not even like, today I put in a bunch of time to really make sure I get my curls defined and whatnot. I actually used I used Oribe. They sent me their entire line. So fancy. So I used it on my curls this morning. I'll link that video down below. It should be live. What do you think? But I only used this in my hair the other night. I had gotten back from Newfoundland. I was like in desperate need to wash my hair. And I was like, I'm not really going to style it. I'm just going to put in a leave-in and that'll be it. And I was so impressed. My hair like wasn't as defined and as shiny as it is now, but for just a moisturizer being in there, my hair looked really, really good. So I was super impressed. It felt soft. I didn't have to use a ton either. It has castor oil, hemp oil, pumpkin seeds, kernel oil, wild rice protein, black currant juice, no sulfate, silicones, mineral oils, cruelty-free, vegan, etc. So I'm color me impressed with that for sure. I'm excited to try the rest of their line. And then for my body, as it starts to get drier in Toronto, I can immediately feel it on my skin. Like I felt like a lizard going to bed last night. So I use this and I really like this. I love Nivea's body products, but I've actually been using the other blue one and enjoying that. But then this one is the firming one that has vitamin C in it. So I just started using this one, but they're both great. They have a dry to dry skin, which is this one, and then a white one, which is just normal skin. And I thought this felt hydrating. It felt light on my skin. The scent is Nivea-ish, like clean. I kind of do wish it smelled more like an orange because they put an orange on it, but I won't dock them for that. Skin is supposed to feel firmer. I'm not sure about that, but I definitely feel more hydrated. It doesn't feel sticky. You can use it day or night. It's affordable in this economy. So that's everything from me. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to let me know down below what you are loving this month. And as always, if you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!